Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to enter Cash App referral codes. So, with this video, you're gonna learn how to enter the referral codes from your friends. Now that you're on this screen right here, when you open Cash App, you're gonna want to tap on the profile icon. And when you do that, as you can see, there's actually no way to add a referral code on Cash App Mobile. Like in your account, in the profile icon at the top, there's no way to do that. So you're going to want to tap on support, scroll down a bit from here, tap on chat, and then say your concern. Like type, I want to enter a referral code from my friend. So just type that, and either a bot or a person, I'm not really sure, but either one of those will reply to you and help you with your problem. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple to do this. Just type it, and that's all. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any questions? Feel free to comment down below.